Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we just picked up this sweet Colorado. I was actually checking out that one time and that was the one I really wanted and we got it. So it's here at the shop and I don't think it's gonna be a long rebuild. Hopefully we'll get it done one episode, right Evan?
That's the plan.
Yeah, we'll knock it out. Hopefully just a little fender, headlight, bumper, maybe replace the bumper, maybe fix it.
We gotta take it apart, see if the tabs are good, things like that. But definitely a fender, definitely the knee assembly, right?
Yep. Need a rim too, so we'll jack it up, probably make it run and drive right here in the trailer.
No, we won't.
No?
Forklift it inside.
There you go, make it easy.
Get the knee assembly ready.
Might as well.
Break it down, make sure we can order all the parts, so.
Yep.
Get this thing done, knocked out quick.
100%. Let's go ahead and get it inside. So working on Salvage vehicles, sometimes it looks simple just to take the wheel off, but if you look a little closer, it's literally pinching it against the spindle right there, so the rim is not coming off. Definitely got a lot going on. So either gotta do hammer time or grinder or something to figure that out. Definitely gotta get that off to get all this replaced. Fun stuff you have to do. So there's definitely more than one way to take off a wheel. Now that I'm just loosening the upper control arm and taking it all off altogether without even getting it out of there. So I'll see what I can do here now that I have it off. We'll see what we need. I don't know. We'll see what happens there. With the struggle, we'll cut it, but it's a lot easier now that it's off. So we'll see what kind of knee assembly we have. Check out our good parts, see what we need to replace. Might as well just replace everything. Who knows? It doesn't look that bad, honestly, but just lower control arm really, but just in case. And just like that, quick and easy, just unbolted upper control arm, lower control arm, my parts that I don't need. Looking good. I'm gonna keep that for now. I actually had to order an inner tie rod end. They didn't have it in stock, so that's coming a little later, so I'll just use what I have for now, then replace it later. These are my old parts. I want the old and got my new parts in the bed and with the new. There's my spare tire. There's my new knee assembly put together. Looking good. I'm gonna put the tire on, do a little alignment on it real quick, and should be good to go. move on. All right, there we go. Got the spare tire on there. Let's go ahead and take off the headlight, bumper, and fender. Moving right along. Not bad at all, pretty easy. Lots of little bolts though, I'm not gonna lie. Bunch of little screws, different sizes, just to mess with you. But, not bad.
All right, so there we have it. We got this little piece primered, sanded down. It is ready to paint, and we're gonna paint the fender. So usually we would jam out, put on the car, and do a blend, but we went to the paint store. They did a photo picture of the original paint, so he said it's gonna match really well. So let's go ahead and paint these two pieces. Then we're gonna put them to the side, and we're gonna paint that black piece, which is a different color, and then we're gonna clear everything together. So let's get to it. right, so it's the next day. The fender is now painted. We can touch it, and let's get this fender installed. Put the headlight on. We'll see how our match looks. If it's not too bad, we're gonna leave it. If it needs to be blended, then we're gonna start sanding. So let's go ahead and knock this out. All right, so check out the progress. We got the bumper on. We are still waiting for the fog lights to come in. They should come in tomorrow, and we should be able to just clip that on, no problem. But this side is looking really good too. I checked the headlights. The headlights are working nice and good. Also, the rim came in. I mounted the original tire on it, and it's good. It's not leaking, nothing like that. Also, we bought a little rough country lift kit for this thing, because this thing sits pretty high in the back but pretty low in the front. So let's go ahead and take this tire off, put the little spacer on there, because gotta just make this truck look nice. Kind of see on this side, the back sits a lot higher than the front. A little 2-inch level kit, it's gonna look good. We'll get that knocked out, then we can do the alignment, and we'll be all set. So let's get straight to it.
And alrighty guys, just like that, check out this beautiful 2022 Chevy Colorado. Pretty quick turnaround, ordered some parts, did a little bit of work, bada bing, bada boom, back on the road. So let's talk about the price breakdown, how much we have total in it, minus the labor and our own costs. This is just how much the raw material cost us to get it right here in this state. So from Copart, basically what it costs us to get home is $12,108. That's all the fees and everything. You know, you bid it and you win it, but there's obviously a little bit more percentage. You got to watch out. You got to calculate that, put it into the cost, and then we got to pay a little more. So the headlight, the wheel, the suspension, the fender, everything right there was less than $800 for all those parts. Fog light, fender bracket, other little bracket in the bottom, $80. Paid a little bit for the paint. Then we did our own alignment. We did our own labor. Didn't calculate none of that, like I'm saying. But at the end, this 2022 Chevy Colorado cost us, like saying, this is just the parts. But before I reveal the final price, guys, take a second, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed. You know, we really appreciate it, all the feedback on it and everything. We can't do it without you, but that really helps us out. So thanks, guys. Take a second, hit that subscription button. A little bit more than $13,000. Not bad for 2022. Only has 25,000 miles on it, 4x4, Got a front leveling kit on it. I mean, this thing is looking clean all around. Can't even tell that it's salvage. Cool little light bar in the front. Very nice. So obviously we're gonna flip it, basically put it for sale. But hey, there's money to be made at Copart. This would be a great truck for yourself at $13,000. Still lasts you a very long time. And it looks great. I mean, being 2022, beautiful. But all right, guys, just like that, you guys basically seen the whole story as we went out there to Copart Yard. We're looking them out, checked it out, bid on it, brought it back, got the parts, did some assembly work, a little bit here and there, and got ourselves a nice truck. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.